Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Dos, my dear friends. I'm back again with one amazing notification, one amazing opportunity for all of you. And this time this opportunity is coming from Northern Railway, Office of the Chief Administrative Officer, Northern Railway, Kashmiri Gate, Delhi. Now, they are engaging Senior Technical Associate Open Market for Construction Project in the jurisdiction of Northern Railway. Now, the detailed notification is as follows. Opening date of application is 11th of August. Closing date is 28th of August. Okay. Now, they are inviting applications from the interested candidate for STA on contractual basis. So, again, remember this is contractual basis from open market in civil, electrical, signal telecom in Northern Railway Construction Organization, Kashmiri Gate. Now, applications have to be submitted online. The notification is available at this link. You can visit this link and see the notification. Now, STA 27 vacancies for civil engineering or any sub-stream of civil engineering. 10 vacancies in electrical, electronics and mechanical or any sub-stream like triple E, like instrumentation, any sub-stream. Okay. 6 vacancies for electrical, electronics, IT, communication, MSc electronics or any substream again like triple E, instrumentation, EI, any such thing. STA candidate will be shortlisted on the basis of GATE score obtained in 5 years between GATE 2019 and GATE 2023. So the shortlisting is on the basis of GATE exam. So that is a good opportunity for the last 5 years in the ratio of 1:1. That is, they are not considering any additional candidate, only how many candidate they require. Minimum marks that they are requiring is general candidate 60%, OBC non-creamy layer 55% and SC ST 50%. Okay, that is in your educational qualification, that is in your degree. Now, age limit is 20 to 34 years. Last date will be carried for determining age. Relaxation for OBC 3 years, SC ST 5 years. Okay. Now, total category wise vacancy unreserved 43, EWS 7, OBC 24, SC 13, ST 6, 93 vacancies. Now, contractual hiring will be done on the basis of merit. GATE score will be the basis of STA. During submission, you will get a registration number and you must preserve your registration number for further stages. Okay, now after shortlisting on the basis of GATE score, they'll do the document verification and medical examination. Okay, to avoid last minute rush, it is advised that you should submit the online application as soon as possible. Payment of fees, it is non-refundable fees of 100 rupees. You have to pay it via online payment gateway. Now, once your particulars in the application are correct, you need to make the payment through the online payment gateway. You can make the payment through debit card, credit card, internet banking by providing all the information that is asked on the screen. On completion of transaction, you will get an e-receipt with the date that you have entered and you should print this e-receipt. Remember, print this e-receipt and keep it with you. And if the online transaction is not successfully completed and no money is debited, then you can log in again and make the payment again. If the money is debited and still another payment is made for the same application, then application will be considered basis the payment received against the application number and applicant agrees that the duplicate will be forfeited. Okay, so do not make the multiple payments because they will not refund that amount. Okay, so whatever duplicate entries you have done, that will be forfeited. For SC/ST women candidate, no fees is required. Now the fees, the salary for civil electrical SNT is 32,000 in Z class, Y class 34,000, X class 37,000. Now, daily allowance on tour as admissible at the rate of 500, 0 to 6 hour, 30%, 6 to 12 hours, 70%, more than 12 hours, 100%. This is just like the travel allowance. Okay, so when you are on tour, you will get a daily allowance in addition to your salary. Now, Sundays are off, okay, and national holidays, but you may be called to duty on any Sunday or any national holiday and you will get a compensatory leave. Okay, these are basic things that you should look at when you are looking at any job, you should go through this. The duration is maximum for a period of 1 year or availability of selected candidate or completion of project. So that is the maximum of 1 year. Medical fitness, you have to go through the medical fitness test. Training will be as per their rules and regulation. Okay. So period and content of such training in consultation will not be less than 10 working days. So training will not be less than 10 working days. Eligibility criteria, you have to check beta how to apply. You can go to their website and you can see this notification where you can start applying online. You must ensure that your name, father name, date of birth is exactly matching with your matriculation, that is the class 10 certificate. And if it is deviating, they may cancel your application. Do not submit multiple application. You must have a scanned photograph, okay, that you might have used in GATE, scanned signature, and last date for receipt of application. Last date they have given above, okay, 11th of August it started. Training, no hostel accommodation they will provide you. Selected candidates will have to make their own arrangement during the training, and the period of engagement will be a maximum of 1 year. So you have to enter a contract before training. Okay, that contract will hold valid for 1 year. And these are some general information which you can go through, where they are saying they have the final right to terminate you, to hire you, to cancel your application. All rights they have. And contract you can terminate from your side, or they can terminate from their side by giving you a 1 month notice. Okay. Now what is the duty? You will work under the railway supervisor and assist them in the performance of day-to-day duty like supervision of work, conducting the quality checks, documentation of records, measurement of work, any other form of requirement. So you will be assisting the senior technical, you will be assisting the supervisor as a senior technical associate. Okay. So go through this job notification in detail, beta. We have provided the link in the description. So make sure you go through it and then only you apply to it. But remember, this is only a contractual job for a maximum period of 1 year. So that's it from my side. And if you are a GATE 24 or a 25 aspirant and you wish to study with me, you wish to make me a part of your journey, and you want to take this journey together with me, then join Exam-Dost immediately. We have a 20% off running on our batches along with free test series. That is our Independence Day offer. So rush to our website or our mobile app and become a part of these batches. Other than that, you can WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 70890-47561. In case you are having any difficulties, any queries, me and my team will assist you. Thank you.